Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is July the 3rd, 2018, and I wanted to show you an update on my onion seedlings here. So you can see here how much they've grown. We did put down some leaves as a mulch, sort of. And then they were just refed when before the last rain hit last night. And then we have more elsewhere too. So you can use like an Eco Scraps 555 plant food on your onions. You can also use you can use bone meal on them. Bone meal has phosphorus in it, and phosphorus will help feed the root system, which will help it develop that nice bulb. And there's also a product out now. I've never tried this one. I've tried other Gardens Alive products, but I've never tried this particular one. I forgot to order it when I put my order in. It's called Root Crops Alive. And that's supposed to be really good for your onions and your potatoes, your carrots, radishes, all that stuff. So I'll put links down below for all these different plant foods I've talked about. I just want to give you this quick update. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.